hey woza nendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly hey wengane zakwethu kuningi yazi asazi sithi sibamba la hey sithi sibamba le hayi angazi kwenzakalani kodwa enganitshela khona ukuthi uGayton Mackenzie onSpizanima bahambe light mayethi yena akazi uKhen uhlanganaphi nomlifi uyazi ukuthi uKhen akunamkhoshosha kawenza or ubugebenga akabenzayo wathi uzomsuspenda for 30 days okanye kuze kuphele iinvestigation ukuthi ikhona into kodwa wathi yena uyazi ukuthi akunabugebengu obenziwa uKhen. Guess what? Mulifi guy lo okukhulunywa ngaye kuyavela ukuthi this Mulifi guy has been sponsoring iPatriotic Alliance but wazobathengela nama t-shirts awu 100,000. Imagine 100,000 t-shirts. How much is that? So Gayton Mackenzie is lying and is gaslighting us, acting as if he does not know this Mulifi guy and that there is no criminality that is going on between Kenya and this guy, but it seems as if him as well is also involved. And I think Nobaba Wenkomo is involved in this thing, guys. Don't you think so? Because umuzo khumbula kahle i-intelligence yalapha ekhaya yathathwa ubaba Wenkomo wayefaka ngaphansi kwepresident. Niyakhumbula angithi yibo laba baveza indaba okay omunye owayehead of intelligence waveza indaba ukuthi kunemali yaJojo Phalaphala and whatever you know the story most. So ubaba Wenkomo wabona ubungozi lapho wasethi akayithatha intelligence azoyifaka so that before abantu bezobhala izinto abazaziyo ngaleya intelligence usuke sebavalile mangabe kukhona something that him or his gang is involved in. That is why he took intelligence ngaphansi kwe-president or office of the president. So bafethu, there's a lot that is happening in South Africa. Uyabona manje kuyavela siyesibuka ama-movie la ako-Colombia ako-Mexico izinto ezenzakalayo laphana, these drug cartels and all of that. This is what is happening right now in South Africa. Kuningi okusazovela kwasho ingoma kaMfazi Omnyama kukhona kusofela ngiyanitshela khona okusazofela la ngiyanitshela ngane zakwethu buka nazi